Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the until loop. The until loop is very similar to a while loop. The until loop will execute a piece of code until a specific condition becomes true. When that condition is met, the loop simply breaks. A while loop, on the other hand, will execute a piece of code while a condition is true. And when it becomes false, the loop will break. Whereas in the until loop, when the condition becomes true, then the loop will break. So very similar, but really the opposite based on the conditional check that you're doing. A while loop is looking for a condition to be false, whereas the until loop is looking for a condition to resolve as true. The syntax you'll find is the very same as a while loop, where instead of while, you're writing the word until, you give your condition, and you put the word do to include your block of code that should be repeated until this condition resolves to be true. Once it resolves to be true, then the loop simply breaks. So here is an example of how you might set something like that up. You will put a condition that is initially false, and throughout this loop, this condition will eventually change and change until it resolves to be true. This count will be greater than 5 at some point, since we're incrementing. Once that condition is meant to be true, the loop will break. So coming up in the next lab, we're going to show you how to put together your first until loop and create a code that keeps executing until a specific condition resolves to be true. This is another alternate way of writing open-ended loops, such as while. Please join us in this next lab where we show you how to put together an until loop. In this episode, we're going to talk about the until loop. The until loop is very similar to while in that it is evaluating a condition based on a counter that you define. So let me go ahead and show you how to set up a until loop. I'll create a file called script6, and here I will add my first line, which is the shebang, and then I will make a counter equal to 1, and I'm going to say until this condition, which is that my count is greater than 5, until it's greater than 5, keep doing something. So do, and here you're going to say echo and the value of count. And here you're going to just say add 1 to the value of count, count plus plus, and you're going to put done. So count starts at 1, and as long as it's until it's greater than 5, you will keep executing this. You'll keep executing this until, of course, count gets incremented all the way to 6, where 6 is not, until 6 is greater than 5. So until that condition is then met, this script will run. So it'll run when count is 1, because this is not true. It'll run when count is 2, because this is not true. So until this becomes true, when count is at 6, this will keep running. So our output should simply be, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and run this. You'll notice that the entire script is exact same design as our while loop. Let's go ahead and add our necessary permissions to this script file and run this script file to get our output. So that is using the until loop. Thank you for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.